Is it gone? Is it going? Valentine's Day special.
More energy.
Valentine's Day special.
Where's your girlfriend?
What?
She is currently in a nebulous state of non-existence. My day was great. I did pretty well on my physics test, pretty well on my comp sci test. So yeah.
Do you have a Valentine?
No.
Why not?
Because no one wants to be my Valentine.
By choice?
What? Yeah, by choice. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna play Monster Hunter. Yeah.
Where's your girlfriend?
So strange.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine. It's not Valentine's Day yet. Oh my! Happy Valentine's Day! Yay!
Where's your girlfriend?
She's in another nation. My imagination. You okay? Pineapple pen.
Where's your boyfriend or girlfriend or whatever gender you're attracted to?
Nobody? I don't know. The lathe.
What
What am I supposed to say? Rick says the CNC.
Can see his name again.
Now why are you here?
Because it's Friday.
It's Friday.
And I'm a dedicated.
No. Pretend it's Saturday.
Oh, we're pretending it's a No, why would I be here if it was a Saturday? If it was Saturday.
So who here has a girlfriend?
It's him right here.
I do not have
This is my girlfriend.
Yeah!
His name is Sune.
And this guy's name is Cole. This girl's name is Cole.
We've been
She's my
together
girlfriend.
for 5 minutes.
Yep.
Ah,
We're ready to get married.
yeah. I made a bracelet with his name on it.
Right now.
It says it right here. Oh, play
It wouldn't
chicken.
be great.
Wait,
It
play
wouldn't,
chicken.
it wouldn't be
Oh,
gay
yeah.
chicken because you're a girl.
People need they don't need other people to feel good about themselves. We have to make our own happiness.
What else are you gonna do today?
Robotics, 3D print. Don't cry. I don't know, man.
Wait, no, hold on. What's your best pickup line? To Charlie. Okay.
Well, I only know one.
So say your best pickup line.
Are you a vegetable? Because you're a cucumber. Can I get your number?
Of course! I love you so much, Ennio.
I love you too. And that's like
You need to add like.
oh yeah.
All right, if you want a boyfriend, call this number right here.
What is it? Yeah? Yeah?
Hello.
Oh my god. What the fuck? What the fuck? Bro, you sound like Franklin.
Okay, wait.
Where's your girlfriend?
Oh wait, I'll go in next to you.
Yeah, bro has so many hoes in her class, in his DMs, and has no.
All the letters you gave me today, all confessions.
No.
Can I get two headphones? Do you actually?
No.
We're always pretending that all our members are so dedicated to showing for Valentine's Day.
Headphones?
Yeah.
That's not headphones.
Z, where's your girlfriend? Are you sure?
Where's your girlfriend?
I'll go in next to you.
They didn't come.
This is for a Valentine's video, then. Is it? I can like. No, it doesn't. No, what the fuck? No, it doesn't matter.
Where's your girlfriend?
I love pineapples. Pineapples are so good.
About what? What's this about? How's your Valentine's Day? How's my Valentine's Day? It's okay. I should be elsewhere. That's what I think. It's my Valentine's. It's my Valentine's. Oh, I didn't know that. And so is this one.
Yeah.
Why am I being recorded? So you know when I said my girlfriend was in here? There's also
Random music, bro. Sheila.
Yeah.
Who's your Valentine?
Don't have one.
Are you sure?
What do you mean? Am I sure? Can I not be very sure? What? I'm very sure I don't have one.
Oh, it's by choice.
For what?
How's your Valentine's Day?
Huh? Valentine's Day hasn't
So I'm
happened
eating
yet.
candy.
Valentine's Day hasn't happened yet.
I pretend today's Valentine's Day.
Oh. So awesome.
Hi.
How's Valentine's Day going?
It's going great.
Where's your boyfriend?
I don't have one yet. It's okay. I have robotics. I'm single by choice.
Why am I getting interrogated? Yo. Hi.
Your glasses.
Are you a vegetable? Because if you were, well,
You would be a cucumber.
Of course! Oh yeah, here. Wait, give me your number.
many good times. Cheers.
Yes.
That's my phone, by the way.
It is.
No, I'm gonna call him now. Hello?
You're not in frame, Charlie Kerr.
Oh wow. Yeah, I'm at SciBorgs 1155.
SciBorgs. That sounds like an incredible team with a very good members.
Where's your girlfriend? Programmers really free time.
Ennio Wong, happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
So, how's your day? Where's your Valentine?
It's been very nice. I'm here robotics, so like.
So remember last year? Last year you said you were gonna get one this year.
Oh wait, no. Did I say that? What did I say in the last one? I did say that in the last Valentine's special. Well, I'm trying. Am I trying? No, I'm not. My mom watches this. I'm not trying. I need to cut that out. Where's your girlfriend?
Not here. At another school.
Home, actually.
For Valentine's Day, tomorrow night, I'm going.
Today's Saturday.
Huh?
Today is Valentine's Day.
Tonight, as Valentine's Day, I'm going to spend my lovely evening with a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful plate of food. I have no Valentine. I'm single. Ah!
Ole mole.
Oh, hello. What do I say about my Valentine? Very bad, very bad.
This is my Valentine. His name is Sune.
My name's not Sune.
Your name is Sune.
My name's not Sune.
His name is Sune.
I don't know.
He's the wrong skin color.
Hey, close enough.
I don't see color.
Is it just a number? Is color just a number?
Are you just gonna keep like?
Are you just gonna like do this like on?
Oh yeah.
Keep it playing.
Ethan Jones.
Keep it playing.
Ethan, where's your Valentine?
Stop.
What?
Where's your girlfriend?
Bro, you literally already asked me already. Where's yours?
Oh, where is he? Hey. I'll get one next year. I'll get one next year. I'm telling you.
That's what you said last year. Did you say that 2 years ago?
She's in Massachusetts.
Oh my days.